Hello and welcome back to our video training series. In this video, I just want to go through creating a new job and entering the input parameters. So to do that, after you log in, you press the new button and the system automatically presents you with an input screen where you can actually enter the details. The first thing is you enter the address of the job. So in our case, it's 22 Morton Street. This is just for your reference only. Next is cost of the land. So there's a drop down screen here. So you pick up whatever the cost of the land is. So in our case it was 700. So you can actually choose 700. The size of the land, again, it's a drop down. You pick from here. So in our case it's 850. So I'll just go down and pick up 850. Number of units that you're proposing to build. Again, I've done my research and I'm quite comfortable that I can fit 3 units on it. So you can choose from 2, 3, 4, 3 units. Now, based on the previous video where you can actually see the recent sales, I've decided, and with consultation with the real estate agent, that these individual units will sell for about $720,000, or you can choose. So this is, you choose 720 now, and then you can change it on the next iteration and just use it as a what if analysis. Cost of construction per square meter. Again, I'm allowing for 1400 here. It's not obviously the bottom of the range or top of the range, but it's executive sort of units that we are proposing to build. Now the size, I'm allowing for 120 square meters. That's pure living area, excluding the garages, etc. And the research shows that that's what you can choose a little bit more if you want to, and then just see what the impact is going to be on your profitability. The car spaces, because they're going to be 3 bedrooms, so on average they will need to have double garages. It's a requirement, but you can change it to 1 or 2, or if there's simply car spaces, but you can choose 0. So in our case is a double garage. Now the next thing the systems ask is if you're going to rent it, how many weeks you're going to rent that property for. So in other words, if the proposed development site has got a rentable house on it, this field will tell you how many weeks we are intending to rent, because that's an additional income to earn, which is always good to have. So I'll just put in 28 weeks there. Now the next screen is asking me whether I need to go and get a planning permit. So sometimes you get a development site and it's got the planning permit with it, so you would answer no for. Or others, you have to get a planning permit. So obviously this impacts on the cost and also the time. Now, if you're intending to sell, you choose yes. If you're going to keep the units and not sell, you choose no. So in our case, I'll choose yes. The site finder fee is a fee that you pay for a third party that you engage to get you to find you the site. So you can just choose yes or no. So it's a no in this case. And the last one is very important one, is the city council, where you choose where that your proposed development is. It actually will determine the open air contribution, which is in our case it will apply because it's more than 2 units or 3 units. There's an open air contribution which you will see in the results. It also will work out the state-based land taxes, stamp duties and everything by just selecting that. So once you've done all that, you basically have to press the calculate button and the system will produce the results and present you with a summary. See, that's it for this video, and hope to see you during our next video presentation. Thanks very much for your attention.